How to check if your social media marketing is working. Analytics and metrics are the best methods for determining the success of your social media marketing strategies. This presentation will reveal how and why you should be checking your analytics to ensure that your marketing strategy is effective. Analytics can seem like a complicated thing to understand, and truthfully, they can be. If you do not have a load of experience in dealing with analytics, then it may take you a while to get the hang of it, but it is crucial that you do. In essence, your analytics show the success or the failure of your brand, so they are definitely something that you need to understand. Many social media platforms have built-in insights functions. They show you how many people are viewing your posts, as well as how many of them are liking. This proportion is essential. Seeing what percentage of your audience is seeing your posts and choosing not to engage with it is a sign that you may need to improve your content. You should analyze which posts are successful and which are not. Determine which elements of your content make something succeed or flop, and try to emulate the successful elements naturally. You should also test the click-through rate and whether it translates tangibly into sales. The most obvious analytic to track is your overall follower growth. It's normal for it to fluctuate slightly over time, but naturally, you want it to follow an upward trend. You can also check the demographic breakdown of your followers to ensure that it aligns with your target audience. If there is a discrepancy, try to determine why that could be, and then ensure that your follower count is on par with the overall engagement of your content. Additionally, you should not neglect to check trends in the wider industry. Ensure that your marketing strategy is still relevant and keeping up with broader trends, both with the industry and your audience's tastes. Do not forget also to get in on your competitors. See their analytics and how it compares to yours. How can you improve yours to beat theirs? It shows the value of your work, and often, if you plan on collaborating, other brands will request this. The building of and regularly updating your social media impressions kit is a useful way to continue to ensure that you are reaching your targets. To ensure that your analytics are on track, set tangible time-sensitive goals and track their progress. If you're scared to do so, get small goals to begin with, or break down larger goals with time increments. This will help you see exactly what you should be looking for when constructing your data analysis. You should check your analytics regularly to ensure that you are on track to meet your business goals. Making it a priority to check your progress is a great way to ensure that you are making it.